It's super easy to make and receive phone calls with Bluetooth hands-free link and your paired phone. To make a call, touch Phone. To use a stored contact, select Contacts. Scroll to find the name and select it. Then select the number and the system will dial it automatically. To call by entering the number, the vehicle must be stopped with the transmission in park. First, touch the Menu tab on the phone screen. From the menu screen, select Keypad. Enter the number and select Call, and dialing begins automatically. Receiving calls is a snap too. When a call comes in, you'll hear an audible alert and see the incoming call screen. You can answer it by rolling the left selector wheel on the steering wheel to answer and pressing in. Or, if you don't want to pick it up, roll the selector wheel to ignore and press.